What's good, people? Another day, another dollar. Today's Thursday, and I'm at this French school out here in Markham. The name of the school is Sainte Marguerite Bourgeois, something like that. École Élémentaire Catholique. I think that's elementary school, Catholic elementary school. Guys, I don't know French. If I freaking butchered the accent, let me know in the comments, alright? But anyway, I'm here to replace a bunch of devices. 8 heat detectors, 2 batteries, 12 volts, 12 amp hours, and a horn. FH3. No, it's a horn, Miracom horn. FH340R. R stands for red. Okay, and the FH is for full horn. Then there's a mini horn, MH. So I'm dealing with a full horn 340 red. But it wasn't in the office, okay? They're telling me on the report that last year's inspection, the horn failed. But I went to the office, I couldn't find a horn, so I was like, yeah, fuck it. I only picked up 8 heat detectors and 2 batteries, and that's it. I'm gonna spend the whole day here, cause man, it's raining, and I was given 8 hours, so I'm gonna spend 1 hour for each heat detector. That's how we do it, baby. Make some easy money, man. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys once I talk to the custodian and ask him to put the system offline, and ask him to give me a key so I don't have to bug him anymore. I don't want him following me around, you know? I hate that. Anyway, peace. Okay, 8 heat. That's good. Okay, so I'm changing out the battery. Put the year. This is the old one. I'm gonna take it out. Put it right there. Got the new one. Put it right there. Jeez. Shh. Shut up. Okay, so connect the jumper to the red. The jumper should be black. No, should be red. Okay, this one goes here. And this one goes there. Only got one hand. Okay, see the trouble. Trouble's gone. Perfect. Now we gotta replace the heat detectors. But before we do that, gotta disconnect signal. Okay? Gotta whisper. This kid's sleeping. Need a pen. Two. 4. Okay, so signal disconnected. And then we gotta disconnect the relays. Now we can go replace the heat detectors. Just find out where they are first. I have it on my phone. Okay, so we got a recall. I'm gonna replace it with this FDD, one of my favorite heat detectors. And then in the electrical room, we got another one right there. So that's 2 so far. Okay, we got 6 more to go. All right. All right, it's in now. It's Edwards 281C recalled. On to the next one. That was the longest 10 minutes of my life. All right, next. Yo, looking for my ladder. Got 3 more. Thing is, I've done 8, but I've seen more recalls. Okay, there's at least 4 more recalls that I got, like 3 heat detectors remaining. Good thing I brought a spare 3. Okay, 110. Freaking light, come on. There's no light in this goddamn. What about here? Should be light. Not even motion sensor. Okay. Alright, see? This is 1. Alright. The report says I only got to replace 8. But there's more than 8 that have to be replaced. This is 2. I don't know if you can see, but let me use my flashlight. Okay. There's another one. Pretty sure there's another one somewhere. Just keep going down the hallway. Okay. Another one right there. Wasn't reported in the report. I just changed this one. It says room 113 did not work, so I replaced it. But these ones are not in the report. So whoever did last year's inspection made a horrible mistake on their report. Let's hope this is not recall. It smells new. Okay, we got a 5601A. Yes, this is pretty brand new. Okay, so I'm gonna guess from this point here is new addition to the school. Because if you cross this line, all that smells new. New paint, new drywall, new chairs. So I got 3, I gotta replace 4. Just gonna write that up in my report. Okay, start with the first one. This one here. Okay, good. Since I'm done over 11 heat detectors. Panel is clear. Okay, just gotta find that lady. She gotta show me something. I don't know what she wants to show me, but some crap about smoke detector hanging loose. I didn't come here for that, but I'm just gonna be nice, you know, because I was gonna tell her just put it in a, call the office and make a work order for it, because we gotta get paid too, right? That's truck charge, labor, and all that. Company makes money, you know. But she's gonna take advantage since I'm already here. But fuck it, I'm a nice guy. Let's go see what shit about. These are my batteries. Okay. Walter. Oh, Glenn and Walter. Focus fire protection. I saw this van outside work today. Interesting. Focus fire protection. Probably got bought out by McCain. It's back here. Sortie. Exit.
Yes. I'm calling just to ask you, please, to put us back in the system because Classic they finished all of them talking. Aisha. Thank you so much.
Got something in my eye? No? Alright. So I just finished installing all the heat detectors. So remember I came out of the van with 13 heat detectors. Now it's empty. All I got is the 2 batteries that I replaced. And it took me about 1.5 hours. I'm glad to be done, man. So I'm just gonna chill. So, you know, they told me to do all this in 8 hours. What the hell were they thinking? They think I'm some kind of bitch? Come on, man. I want to milk this job. Okay, so now, but I still got things to do. I gotta hand in the report and a couple of reports from yesterday that I still did not fill in. So yeah, I'm not done yet. So maybe give me an hour, half hour, I'll be done officially.